Yeah. I used to like that show. No, I used to love him as a troll. Now he's cute.
All right, let's take a look at a Projector. This is a native 1080. Now, the great thing about this is very quiet. It has an IR in the front, IR in the back. It has one HDMI and one USB and audio input, all right? A 3.5 audio input, and then of course the power button. Indoors, outdoors, it works great. Now the best part of it is that it's adjustable. Automatic, it will adjust and focus in any picture that you've seen. It has licensing for a lot of different applications, including Netflix. Vast variety of applications that you can find on a smart TV, you can find on the Projector. And the Projector is super light that you can take it pretty much anywhere. Automatically hit it by accident, the thing will automatically adjust itself. All right, we're outdoors right now. I'm gonna set up the box, all right? All right, let's take a look at the quality of it. And right now I have a PC connected to it, but look at this. Beautiful quality. You can't even see the pixelation that much, all right? I'm gonna move the actual projector to the left a little bit and move it back, and then what's going to happen, it's going to adjust itself. It takes a couple seconds, it focuses in, it looks like the wall's a little off, but then it fixes itself. All right, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how quiet this thing is. Look how close I am, all right? Projector is super quiet on this. Going wireless to your phone, you have to go to your settings, all right? And we're going to do smart view on here.
Surviving through that day.
He was tracking her.
He was everywhere. I heard the squeak of a floorboard.
All right, we're going to play Golf Simulator on this one. Waiting for first shot.
Go to YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
This is a perfect all-around projector for office or entertainment too. Not only can you present on it, but you could play on it, and you can also watch your movies on it. Now, if you're missing all those smart features that your smart TV has, this one is included plus more. The voice activation was an extra plus for me, especially when you're working on a low light environment. This is perfect. So if you guys are looking for all-around system, this is it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.